Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked around and wondered if life was meant to feel like a daily grind, high rent, long hours, and very little freedom? You're not alone. In 2025, a growing number of men are packing their bags and heading to a place you probably haven't seriously considered: South America. Not just for a vacation, but for a fresh start. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 reasons why men are fleeing to South America, and why this trend is only getting bigger. Stick around until the end, because reason number 5 might just change how you see your entire future. Let's start with the obvious but powerful reason: the cost of living. Picture this: a furnished apartment in Medellin with a view of the mountains for under $500 a month. Dinner for 2 with drinks? Maybe $20. Compare that to a single bedroom in Miami, where rent alone could eat half your paycheck. From Colombia to Paraguay, South America offers men the kind of financial breathing room that's almost impossible to find back home. It's not just about saving money, it's about gaining control. In Buenos Aires, one American expat said he cut his monthly expenses by 70% without cutting quality of life. That freedom? It's addictive. Next, the remote revolution. Since the pandemic, work has changed. Men are realizing they don't need to be in New York or LA to make money. Whether it's freelancing, content creation, investing, or even online coaching, all you need is Wi-Fi, and South America's got that covered. Cities like Santiago and Lima have fast internet, co-working cafes, and cheap living. One online trader from Texas now lives in Paraguay, says he makes the same income but keeps triple the profits. No commute. No suit. Just freedom. And when your money goes further, your stress shrinks fast. Let's talk lifestyle, and yeah, let's be real, let's talk about women. Because for many men, it's not just about palm trees and cheaper rent. It's about connection. In Latin America, there's something deeply human that's been lost in a lot of Western culture. Here, the women are warm, feminine, and proud of their culture. The way they laugh, the way they dance, the way they look at you, it feels honest. It's not filtered through a screen or buried under layers of games and expectations. It's just real. In places like Cali, Medellin, or Cartagena, it's not unusual to see couples dancing on a Tuesday night under the stars. Late dinners turn into long conversations. Eye contact means something. People dress up, not just for others, but for pride. And when a woman chooses you here, she chooses you fully, heart first. One guy said he moved to Ecuador for 6 months. He expected sunshine and Spanish lessons. What he didn't expect: a woman who woke up early to make fresh coffee and breakfast for him, who actually cared how his day was, who didn't roll her eyes when he talked about his goals. He said, "I didn't just find a girlfriend, I found peace of mind." And that's the thing, this isn't about fantasy. It's about finding something grounded, something that feels timeless. In a world where a swipe left is easier than a real conversation, South America offers men a reset, a return to intimacy, to tradition, to feeling like a man again in a relationship that actually feeds your soul. For many, that's the most unexpected and powerful reason to stay. Not just the beauty of the women, but the beauty of being truly seen. Let's get into something deeper, mental peace. Many men are quietly burning out. The grind, the expectations, the constant noise. South America offers an escape. In Uruguay, you can walk the beach in silence and see more stars than cars. In Bolivia, some villages don't even have traffic lights. The irony? You leave the chaos and gain clarity. It's not just about leaving the US, it's about reconnecting with yourself. When your phone isn't buzzing every second and your environment doesn't demand constant hustle, you rediscover who you are. And finally, reason number 5. Brotherhood. Community. Call it what you want, but men are craving connection. In places like Medellin or Cusco, expat groups are forming tight circles. Guys from all over, US, UK, Canada, bonding over shared stories, building businesses, mentoring each other. Back home, it often feels like every man is fending for himself. In South America, there's a sense of, we're all in this together. And that is powerful. You're not just fleeing something, you're stepping into a tribe. And that support can be life-changing. So if you've been feeling stuck, restless, or just ready for something more, you're not crazy. You're just early. South America is calling more men every day. And for those bold enough to listen, it might be the best decision they've ever made. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear it. Your new life might just be one plane ticket away.